In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video in Carrd. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Carrd website. You want to click on this plus icon to actually add an element. And then over here you see it says video. Click on video, and then here it says no video URL. So there's actually a way to do this. So you can either embed it over here or upload it. So if you embed it, you'll have to basically paste in the video URL. So it supports different URLs from these websites listed over here, as you can see. And then you can also set custom thumbnails and titles in case that's something you want, or you can just upload it from your computer by clicking upload. But this, of course, is going to require you to have the pro version. Okay, so the easiest way is to basically just click on embed over here and you put in your URL. And then once you put in your URL, if I really quickly go to my YouTube channel over here, I'm going to actually show you how this is done because it's very simple. So you basically just copy whatever link you want, paste it in here like this, and as you can see, it's gonna get added in here. You can then add in a custom thumbnail, click on here, click on to upload, and then you can select whatever you want. For example, I'm just gonna pick one of these images over here, accept, and then I'm going to give it a title, 1, 2, 3. And then, of course, the starting time can be optional, but by default, it's going to start at the very beginning. You can also loop it over here. You can show the player controls. You can show captions, show related videos, etc. And then once you're done, click on done over here. And as you can see, your video has now been added to your website over here. Then you have to publish it and it'll be able to play on your website. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.